Group 1 Semester Project Part 2. So the purpose of this lesson is it is designed for kindergarten through 3rd grade. Students can sit on a carpet in a circle or in a group. The teacher begins with a discussion about why kindness is important and then invites students to share how they feel when others have been kind to them. They then brainstorm as a class to come up with ways they can show kindness to each other that week. The teacher can write the ideas on a chart to hang up around the classroom. The objective of this lesson is to create a classroom culture in which students can care for one another and feel safe by prompting kindness. The issue here is during part of the lesson where students were brainstorming ways to show kindness to each other, one student points out how he shows kindness by helping his classmate with cerebral palsy who uses a walker to navigate the classroom because she has something wrong with her legs. So this is how that kind of played out.
What are some ways you have shown kindness to each other?
I showed kindness to my friend today by helping her move her walker around the classroom because she has something wrong with her legs.
Now, everyone, we have to remember that it isn't kind to say that there's something wrong with her legs. She just needs different tools than us to accomplish walking. This doesn't mean that there's something wrong with her. She's just different. And we're all different in other ways. It's just how some people use glasses to read and others use hearing aids to hear better. Let's take a break from our lesson and talk about differences. We all have differences that make us unique. Think quietly for a minute about what makes you unique. This could be about your family, your language, or something you enjoy doing. I will share first. I am different because I wear glasses to help me see. Who else would like to share?
My family speaks Spanish at home. I'm learning English at school now, which is new for me.
My family just moved here from Nigeria. We eat different foods than everyone else does here.
And we don't celebrate Christmas in my family.
See, we all have differences. They are what make us who we are. The world would be a boring place if everybody was exactly the same person. It is a good thing that we are different.